Okay, let's do a factory reset on this phone. If you forget your password, pattern, or PIN blocking the screen of your phone and you need help to unlock them, just open the link that I left on the description of this video so you can do a factory reset using your external buttons like your volume up and power key in case that you're not able to access to the settings of the phone to do the factory reset. Okay, so in this case this is a factory reset from settings, so let's go and open this folder and you're gonna scroll and find, gonna scroll all the way down and open system. Okay, let's open system. And you need, it is very important that you know your Google account stored in backup section. You need a Google account in order to confirm or verify and after the factory reset, so you are able to get to the home screen. If you fail to verify Google, you won't be able to use your phone and your phone will be blocked permanently, so just make sure that you have that information. And once you're ready, just go to reset options and do factory reset. Everything is going to be deleted on the memory of the phone, such as contacts, text messages, downloaded applications or games, web history, and passwords, emails, everything. Okay, so um, if you agree with that, just hit the reset button, and right after that, you have to confirm your lock screen. You have a password, pattern, or PIN, and then the last step is gonna be erase everything. So if you're ready, you have your Google information and you agree that everything is gonna be deleted on the phone's memory. If you have an external memory card stored in this phone, remove it so you can save some files. Okay, and you're ready, just touch the erase everything and the phone will reboot at this point. Okay, so it's going to take no more than 5 minutes to get to initial setup screen where we can register the language and so on. So if in case that it take longer than 5 minutes, that means that something is wrong with the phone. We may need to calibrate the motherboard. So, and for that you need to open the link on the description of this video, which is the hard reset blue bolt like us, because you won't be able to access to the settings again to do a factory reset. So now we need to do a factory reset with external keys. So make sure to follow the steps of that video. And you can do the factory reset up to like 8 times if possible, or until you get to get your phone to the initial setup screen. Okay, we are on initial setup screen. Let's go and start English language. Insert any active SIM card that you may have and copy your data. You can use your current Google account, or you can set up as a new phone with a new Google account. You can reach the Wi-Fi to have data. Continue. Okay, accept terms and conditions. Select your time zone. Date, your date. You can change the month using the arrow. And once you have the day, just hit the OK button. Time, select your hour and then your minutes, and you can AM or PM. Hit OK to save and next to continue. A nickname for your phone in case you forget your lock screen, and you may have to verify nickname to change your credentials. So not now, lock screen not now. You can do this after, once you get to the home screen. Leave everything on Google services. Hit next, agree. Receive emails from system and hit the next button, and we are on the home screen of this blue bolt like us smartphone. Okay, thanks so much for watching my video. Any other questions you have, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so you can have access to my other tutorials about related to this phone and any other smartphone. Thank you.